Alright, we got some phantasmal frames. Let's see if we get anything. We start off with a Nimble, Ghastly, Paraswine, Bolton, Grimsley's Move, Taurus, Logix, Lumbly. Can you just see if there's anything? Or anything there?
Oh, it's a Charizard!
It's a Charizard! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go.
Wow.
Mega Charizard X.
On our first pack magic? Early in the morning? What do we say?
Hit the like and subscribe. See you on the next one.
See